In primetime news this evening, Jamaica Civil Service Association gears up for fresh rounds of wage negotiations.
PNP blasts government over plans to release manifesto at political rally.
And most Jamaicans say they would not accept money to vote. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Anthony Lug.
And I'm Kalisha Williams. Now, a little later on, we'll have the financial week.
But Spencer Darlington is here to give us a preview of what's coming up in sports. Spencer?
Thank you, Anthony. Well, there were 2 Jamaican victories at the Brussels Diamond League meet in Belgium today. We'll give you more details in Primetime Sports later.
Thanks, Spencer. And Romain is also here with what's to come in the weather report and forecast. Romain?
Thanks, Kalisha. A weak tropical wave is in the eastern portion of the Caribbean, and we expect it to be moving into our area this weekend. However, we don't see significant showers or thunderstorms affecting the Jamaica area at this time.
Have you been feeling that heat, Kalisha?
I was really hoping for rain.
Oh my gosh. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, to what extent do political debates affect how you vote?
And you can share comments online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.